dari beberapa well, this nice opportunity will present our newspaper. Our newspaper is Kareba Pare. Why do we use the name of Kareba Pare? Because we want to improve and introduce our own language. Kareba Pare means Sabar Pare. We use the slogan is with us to make your life insightful and challenging. As you know, in Pare Pare there is no an English newspaper. So if you read this newspaper, you will make your life insightful and more challenging. The first, we will explain about the headline news. The headline news is from our result of the result of the wawancara from Mr. Ansar. The title is Recognize the Implementation of Curriculum Program. Nowadays, curriculum is very important to give the students what to give the students direction how to study well and flexible. Mr. Muhammad Ansar has been worked 20 years in curriculum STEM, and in 2011 he is voted by Mr. Tajrin to be the chief of the curriculum program and the workforce. He chose because Mr. Tajrin believes and trusts his dedication in curriculum STEM. As the vice principal, his tasks are to compile the program curriculum, program of the semester, the annual program, education calendar, some schedules of enrichment and remedial, schedules Olympic coaching, guiding teachers in preparing lesson plans, essential tasks to educators in teaching and learning, appointing teacher in charge of learning, the teacher as a learning coordinator, teacher training, and teachers to give an extra duty. Well, as you can see in this newspaper, according to Mr. Ansar, the curriculum program has a process to implement into the school. The first, the school curriculum begins from government regulations, which are then identified with the SKL in school, analyze of the conditions in education unit, analyze the opportunities and challenges that exist in school. Then the implementation is applied to the basic framework, local content, development activities, teaching methods, assessment, grade increase, and graduation. Nowadays, Mr. Ansar have finished their all program except the enrichment of the third class of SMA 2 Pare Pare. For the future, he hopes that the new students are more and more entering into SMA 2 Pare Pare because there is acceleration and favorite class in SMA 2 Pare Pare. And this year, he offers the students to enter the leading university by joining the free test or invitation way or the test. He also programmed for 100% SMA 2 Pare Pare pass the national exam. No less important, the Olympics. He hopes there are at least two subjects will be first in the provincial and national level. During first principal, he feels his job is not constrained unless there is a roster that requires making a lot of time, energy, and mind. And if he produce the roster, he have any problem. He has any problems like the teachers who won't arrange their own their own uh, their own their own schedule in the program in the curriculum program. Now, in the last, Mr. Ansar hope that SMA to Parepare obey the school's order, improve the discipline, and more studious. And he asked all the students not skip. And instill a sense of time. That means students should feel ashamed if they miss the lesson, reading, and have no achievement as a student of SMA to Parepare. We conclude all this article by article from me, Rico, and Ulil by mewawancarai Mr. Ansar. I think that's all about our assignment. Then my own article is the candidate start their imaging. I choose this article because when I cross the road in from my house to school, there are much billboard poster from the next candidate for the governor and the mayor of Parepare. But there's still a year remaining for the election, for the governor election, and 2 more years for the mayor election. However, since some time later, the public space in the city have flooded by posting posters, banners, billboards, and their self-image. These posters in Parepare used to still start campaigns because no matter whether it's constituent or not, the most important from the next candidate is the place is crowded and frequently visited by the potential voters. The photos and text message is the imaging of their character. Even the installation is done on behalf of organizers of event, community group or party, certainly well done after the agreement concerned between them. Began the news from various channels of information. Currently, there are some satellites that must discuss to be the next governor and mayor in Sulawesi Selatan and Parepare City. Their popularity as the socialite, as the party leaders, as well as officials who are still active duty in public office, was so strong compared to the other figures called of superiority of parties going to forward as the mayor and governor. But the important is the people, the South Sulawesi people and Parepare people should talk with a variety of analysis while hoping that the leaders has volunteered to South Sulawesi governor and Parepare's mayor for more expansivity and profit. I think that's all about my article. Next.
Thanks for the opportunity for me to present my article. I chose the article because nowadays Parepare has a leader of education city. As you can see, this article, the attention of the Parepare government is hard education, one of its implementation by giving for reformation fund for each school. More quality of school and the quality of students give a chance for school in Parepare get interest having a degree of pilot international standard school. Besides having a SBI degree of school in Parepare give priority of the graduation level. Primary school 3, for example, according to the headmaster at the Parepare, concern recently admitted the school has several times for the title as the cleanest and most beautiful school in the city of Parepare. A series of achievements that make the school good success and status of the kids to LSD. Besides having the green LSD, Parepare schools are also very concerned about the level of student graduation, as well as the elementary, junior high school, and high school in SMP 11, for example. The target that is 100% student graduation, achievement, and the graduation of 100%. Last year, trying to be mentioned this year. Optimism is faced by the head of junior high school 11 2 days ago. He said the implementation of the birth of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam coupled with remembrance setting UN last Saturday, and to be enable students to reap the wisdom and follow the behavior of the Prophet Muhammad in terms of improving knowledge, especially in learning. In the point that the students continue to be motivated to learn and attention of the city Parepare profound effect on education. One form of attention is the budget cost of research to schools in the budget for fiscal or APBD year 2012. This was done as considering that some schools have buildings that are not suitable to be used to cause the uncomfortable atmosphere for learning. Besides, the government, the various elements of proses learning, Lembaga Pengkajian Edukasi Komunikasi dan Masyarakat atau LAPECOM, organization that continues to provide advice to the government for the assessment of education in line with the city as education system. I think that's all my present of my article, and thank you very much.
Okay, then my article. The title is Scarcity of 3 kilogram gas. Why I choose the article? Because last month, in West Bocil City, Parepare City, have a trouble getting 3 kilogram gas. Difficulty of obtaining green gas soap is exacerbated by 12 kilogram gas that disappear from the past week. Well, if before there is a shortage, there is 3 kilogram and 12 kilogram in the station. Since Monday, 13th February, the residents have to queue at the Pertamina LPG dealer Region 5, especially for people who want a size of 12 kilogram LPG. Well, one resident named is Anwar is willing to queue for hours at the dealer than the retailer. He says, if in retailer the price is 110,000 rupiah for 12 kilogram, while in the dealer can get the price
or 72,000 rupiah. Well, let's move in my other article. Is wedding party during Parepare 52 years. Ujung Parepare, the anniversary celebration of Parepare 52 years, falls on February 17, 2012, focused on the Andi Makassau Town Square in Jalan Baumas Sese. The city government held People's Party, the profit, the entertainment to the society, as well the peak of the event in the series and anniversary celebration in Parepare. In addition to Mayor Parepare is Haji Samsul Alam and the chairman of DPR Parepare Haji Muhadir Haddade. This event also attended by new police chief AKBP Suprianto SH Parepare, element of President Profesor Harapan Ali Affair. Member of Parepare host representative the regional was native and then to 2011. 2012, Mayor in his speech on the anniversary of the Parepare 52 years bring our shoulder to build the city Parepare better. Town anniversary theme is Parepare to 15 years is by the city's 52 years. We improve public service in Parepare as the city surface and investment prime constitutional leader of Sulawesi. Next will be presented by my leader.
Well, next I will explain about and tell you about the peak of the event of the celebration anniversary of Parepare City. The People's Party this year also celebrated such as the capital artists, the group band namely Tigers, and the trio dangdut singer Dewi Amar, and as well as some local singers in Parepare City. Tigers, as one of the top brands in the country, appeared attractive at the peak of the event. The band began performing at around 9 p.m. with a rendition of the main stage of their album. Opening the show with the song Aku Adalah Aku, Tigers immediately received a standing ovation from the audience, who has met the performance area. With hectic 80s style rock era and the end of 90s, the singers didn't stop, tears ending to invade communication with the audience. Moreover, when the cover song Sahabat Jadi Cinta with Kata Tiul, the band name that stands on June 19, 2006, in Betut song hostel the audience. Next, our last article is about the new city facilities. Now, it's available for us, the Parepare cities people, to do sports at night. You know, nowadays it's a trend. It's a trend that sport not only performed in the morning or afternoon, it's also at night. Even for large events such as soccer, the World Cup, badminton, indoor sports, golf, and others, it's also do at night. Function of lightning in the sports arena is very vital role. Lighting is expected not only to provide illumination but also able to provide comfort for both athletes and spectators. In Andi Makassau field now can be used for sports activities at night. The exhibition has been held by the All-Stars of Persipare versus Armal FC Jumpueh on Tuesday night, February 14th. In the match that goes west, All-Star Persipare defeated Armal Jumpueh by score, who also have a football team, could use it on weekends. Other teams included in Parepare also. Usually, after a workout in the evening, We can also take the advantage of the stalls provided at the edge of the jogging track. The main purpose of this is how sport lighting at Parepare kept alive in order to further develop. So, Adi Makassau field pursuit can be used at night. That's all about our newspaper. I think it's enough, and thank you.